watercolors, pink, yellow, orange, blue, brown, white, twistable black crayon, water pen brush, one dried leaf, and a piece of my bamboo straw broom, one regular paintbrush. Let's get it. And now we have a finished product. Let's take the tape off, see what we got. I ain't mad at it. I think it came out quite beautiful. Took off a little bit more than I wanted on the top. The tape got me on the corner. And here we go, the finished product. I think it's quite beautiful myself. I think we'll call this Flowers at Sunset. I think that's a nice name. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. This goes to show you, you can make art with just about anything you have and with any type of imagination. And I will put this up as a design that you can download on my Spoonflower account, which you'll see here is it'll be upscaled and digitally enhanced. And if you're looking for some neat decor to go on your bed sheets or on your wallpaper, or maybe even a cool throw pillow, maybe this could be one of them. I'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Ciao.